blood pressure, thyroid, anything?
No. Ready po. Thank you.
Mandilat. Maliwanag. Hindi ako makatingin. Kailangan na full face kasi maliwanag. Nagluluha ang aking mata. Janice, your face is like pupo.
No po. Kanin na lang po. Slowly. Wow. Sabi nila if it's yan. Masarap! Uy! Ayo! Bebang! Bebang! Come here, Bebang. Yeah, Bebang. Thank you!
Bebang! I will call you Bebang. Abot hug big hug po. Baho! Yeah!
It's okay. I love you.
Oh, I love you. Yaya! Yung Tita Lai, di ba? Ano yung sa Tita Lai?
Tita Lai.
Can I see please face?
Please.
How about the eyes? Also the eyes.
Please. Thank you, Tita Lai.
What? Can I smell kilikili na? It's bango. How about the other side? How about the other side? Bango na. It's not asim anymore. Nahiya na siya magpaabog. Picture. Say happy birthday, Ninong. Happy birthday, Ninong Tom Tom. Happy birthday, Ninong Tom Tom. Happy birthday. You wanna ride that? Yapa.
Hi, Ninong.
I love it. But.
We're eating pizza. Don't go outside.
But you will go outside and we will drop you there. Okay?
You. No pony, okay? They're back.
You don't do that.
Don't do that.
Ah.
Please, Tita Lai. Please, Tita Lai.
what cute face? Wow! Hala! 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 No, you're so kulit. Bata, do you have bulate in your puwet?
No po.
I know po.
First, Tito Fernan. Hi, Tito Fernan!
Who's Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. One more time.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, nice thumb up. Birthday, this thumb up. Yeah, yeah. Get out. Happy birthday, sex thumb up. Wait, time is with.
Oh, why are you crying? Really? You will not hurt me again?
Yes, po.
Are you sure?
Yes, po.
Why? Come here. Here. I'm here. I told you I'll go home, di ba? You miss it alive?
Yeah.
Huh? I went outside, di ba kanina? I told you I will go home. I'm asking you, Yaya, can we go home? He said, no, I don't want to go home. Oh, now you're looking for Tita Lai? Hug ya, Tita Lai. Are you okay na? Naririnig. It's okay na. Yeah. Oh, I love you, Yaya Faith, so much also. Bukas din naman niya ako papansinin.
Kasi magkasama kayo sa bahay.
As long as I'm breathing, I got no reason to pray.
Extra room, sabi ko. Extra bed. Nasaan na siya na desert safari ulit.
Wala namang kwenta yun eh. Ayoko na sa harap kapag nag-desert safari tayo.
Ito, no? Oo.
Diba ako gusto? Shit. Matay ako. Talaga ba? Ayoko, gusto ko yung ano lang.
Ang ba dyan? Very soon.
Yan ang hindi ko pa nasasakyan sa tanan ng buhay ko. Ferris wheel.
Cable car. May cable car sa ano, diba?
Wala nga siya yung pag ganun.
Oo nga, yung unag umiikot.
Ah, may effect na siya.
Sige, malay mo, may libre.
Tara. Yes, madam. Picture. Yes, nak-picture kita dyan na. Smile. Tawa.
Isa pa.
Naktodo mo yung ngiti, nak. Yan. I-click mo na parang candid. Ano mo naman cameraman, di marunong. Oo, hindi naman ako. Yung rides doon. Mamiss mo lang yung exit wala, no? Cutesy. Ay, wah. Mag-dire-diretso tayo. Dito nga lang, di kasi makakapasok. Ah.
Hindi ka pa man naliligo, sulog ka na.
Uy, tara na.
Grabe siya. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. Bago. Malagkit yun. Ito, toll gate. Dorm. Wala.
Magkano ang toll gate sa inyo, te? Or free yan ngayon?
Balik din siya eh. Oh. Ha? Ma-merge na. Pag nahuli ka, huli. Sige, pwede rin ka dyan.
Ayan.